Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips Ledinaire waterproof. It offers up to 60% energy savings compared to conventional lighting, with up to 125 lumen per watt. It comes in 4 lengths, 2, 4, 5 and 6 feet, and 2 color temperatures, providing a maximum luminous flux of 8400 lumen with non-dimming options. It is IP65 and IK08 for better protection. Ledinaire waterproof comes with emergency lighting options. Installation is easy as it has long sliders and a fast lock opening together with a push-in connector. Through wiring is possible with this Ledinaire waterproof. Thanks for watching.